Hi everybody, sorry about that, cut off right at the end, so I'm not sure if we heard the end of number 20, but I think I got through it. So I'm just going to go on to 21. This video will be nice and short and sweet, and then we'll be good to go. So an aquarium contained an equal number of horseshoe crabs and sea stars. The key piece here is that equal number. Hopefully you're thinking about that in terms of how it's similar to number 20. After 15 horseshoe crabs were removed and 27 sea stars were removed, the ratio of horseshoe crabs to sea stars was 5 to 3. So how many were there at first? So we're going to look at this in a very similar way as we looked at the Asia and Terran problem. We know that we had the same number of sea stars and crabs to start with, and we're looking at so we need to figure out the value of this part. So we have 10 x's plus 15, and we know that that's going to be equal to 6 x's plus 27. When I solve for x, I end up with 4x equals 12, and so then I know that each of my x's has a value of 3. And when I say each of my x's, I'm talking about these little half of a square sections. So I know that there were 12 more sea stars removed than crabs. Each of the larger sections is 6. That's what we just figured out. So each of the small sections are 3. So that if we wanted to figure out how many we started with, we could just multiply by 3. We know 10 times 3 is 30, plus 15 is 45. We should be able to get the same thing here for sea stars. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 27 is also 45. So that's how many we started with. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks, everybody.